So, guys, I wanted to discuss a couple of things that I've been looking through in a couple of months. So, Bitcoin for me has been, I would say, a bit annoying, but that's all right. Crypto lately has been choppy for a long time, and I recently saw a push to 71k, which is not a surprise actually, but it's overall still bearish in my eyes because we have been in a range for quite a bit, and it doesn't seem like an accumulation because of the position of where Bitcoin is, and so much leverage longs as well that's at these areas, and it's just why I will be a bit cautious, if you will, if you're looking to trade Bitcoin overall. But yeah, I mostly just trade gaming tokens, and perhaps when price of crypto starts to move, I will gradually switch over to meme coins and etc. But right now I'm mostly and totally focused on stocks because I curated several um, portfolio that I've built, and we have been able to grow wealth, I would say, with our previous portfolio, and I just wanted to create another that I would like to share with you guys, and hopefully you guys get in pretty early actually. So yeah, so the first stock that I would like to speak about is Mara. So it's Marathon Holdings. It's basically attached to crypto, Bitcoin. So the reason why it's rallying right now is because Bitcoin just moved to 71k, like we all know. But when you look at the market, it has been in a downtrend since July of this year. So I think I saw it around this area a couple of months ago, I would say. I think I think it was January, if I'm not mistaken. Or no, yeah, so I saw Mara in a couple of months ago, and I got in at this area down here around 14 to 15 ish. But overall, it's just because it has been in a downtrend for a long time, and it's attached to crypto, and we all know where crypto will be in a couple of years. So I feel strong about this one, and I can clearly see that price has been pushing up decently. I would say around around 28. I would say, but I'm not typically sure because I started to purchase the stocks months ago. So I apologize for sending it now, but I think it's just better that way to post things late, I would say. But yeah, overall, Mara is a perfect example of a stock that I should hold for a long time, and it's part of my portfolio as well. And now, the second stock we are gonna talk about is LCID, which is Lucid Group Inc. So this stock is attached to an EV company. So it's more of a futuristic bet, I would say. So I know I was talking to someone yesterday, and I think one of our customers, and she told me that she wouldn't like to purchase a gas vehicle in her vicinity because if Donald Trump wins, gas vehicles will be banned in their state. So I was pretty surprised about it. So I'm just generally bullish about EVs because with the carbon emission and all that, and electric cars being fast, safe, more smarter, and just basically Tesla, the move Tesla are making. Obviously, I'm not gonna buy Tesla because pretty much it's pretty much overvalued, I would say, at this time. But yeah, so this is a special stock for me, and I take it really, really seriously, and I expect don't be bothered about this. I expect so much more from the stock. The recent decline was a share sale within the board. I think it's similar to what happened to AMC. They sold around $75 million in shares. It plummeted about a couple of percent, but what I did was I kept on buying, and which is the same thing I would do here because I feel so strong about the stock. The more it goes down, the more I purchase. I typically don't purchase to have quick gains or entries. I'm betting on the future, and I like to get in at pretty cheaper prices, and I will sell when it gradually moves up. That's basically what I do every time I build a portfolio. I get in low and I sell high. And now, perfect. And the next stock on the list is I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a pharmaceutical company, and AMLX is another stock that I um actually came across a couple months ago as well, and I posted it on my X account that I got in around $2 ish, below $2 actually, and gradually, as you can see, price has skyrocketed to around 195%, which is pretty decent, I would say. But I actually saw a recent study that some drug or pharmaceutical trials has been doing well, and I just wanted to yeah, I actually found out like a couple of days ago, and it was surprising to me because I usually don't follow fundamentals like that, but sometimes I just like to read about the stocks that I'm investing in just to see if there's progress or there's some sort of potential, I would say. And that company, that's basically what I just checked for. And I saw some trials were doing great, and that's the reason why the stock has been pumping up. But yeah, I think it's a great stock as well. And I like to diversify my portfolio. The first was crypto, the second was EVs. Now we into drugs, and the list goes on. Just like, share, comment if you have any questions or maybe insights to the shares, or basically if you want to learn how to invest in stocks, I can assist in any way possible. And now the fourth share is FET, Forum Energy Technologies. So I will be honest here. I typically don't know what this company does, but I basically just do a research about shares that I'm investing in, and I just have a feeling about this. Most of the times, technicals are important to me. Actually, it's the most important thing to me, but sometimes I always listen to my gut, and when my gut tells me something, I always do it. And this is a share that I'm into, and I don't have any insights or ideas about it. I just feel it's gonna pump, and I heavily invested in it as well. And the fifth stock is Cryport, CYRX, is a stock share attached to an airline, I think. So this is a share that I was looking at this morning, and I can see that we can talk about technicals to be honest, but when it comes to this type of investments, it doesn't really matter. Technicals doesn't really matter to me. All I need is for price to be low, and I load it up with lots of cash and watch it ride it to the top. And basically, Cryport is a Cryoport or Cryport. I don't know, but it's a share that I'm really positive about, and I think it will do well. And yeah, over the couple of months, I think I got around here, so when in a little bit of profit, I would say, but the stock is has been doing really good. That's the 5 minute, bro. I only use the weekly time frames for my analysis, daily, weekly, and monthly. So yeah, I think I got them around here. So that should be around, I think, 20%, I would say, because this year is actually moving pretty well. Oh yeah, 13%, but it's down now, so just 9% for now. Yeah, so that's not bad. I think it's gonna outperform some stocks in the market, but just basically what I'm looking at right now. Guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And it's a bit shaky now, but with time I will improve with the videos, and this is exactly what I wanted to do over time, and my job and so many things haven't allowed me to post a little, post more, but I would try as much as possible to drop more context and more in-depth analysis when it comes to technicals. Basically, what we're seeing with BTC is just normal range movement, and I think I should find a clean chart. Yeah, perfect. So basically, range movements is just when the market is in a range, it goes up and down within that particular area. Let's clear this chart, drawings and everything. Yeah, so it has been in a range for months now, and as you can see, it's still in the range. And typically, when price gets to the top of the range, it sort of consolidates and create some diversions, like I like to call it, or fake outs, and then you get sort of like, maybe when it gets to this top, it blows over, it comes down, and it starts to come back down. First, the first target would be the mid range, then the lower range, which is 53. And with this type of distribution, I call it distribution because if you look at the way price has been moving, it always drives price pretty slow grind up, but when it comes down, it comes down pretty hard, you know. So obviously, this is a seller's market position. Like, it's a vicinity for sellers in general to take advantage of the market and sell. But yeah, you guys need to be careful around this area. The best investment right now, I would say, would be meme coins because they always react perfectly when BTC moves. But blue chip stocks and blue chip cryptos now are pretty slow. Bitcoin steadily keeps draining liquidity from them, and I don't really understand the circle this year. And but yeah, it's all right. It's market, things always change, and we have to adapt and improve. So yeah, I'm mostly positive about altcoins in a couple of months because of how I see price accumulating in this area. So I see price holding up pretty well around this area. So I'm expecting this support to hold. If it does, we can get here. Then from there, then we can expect price to reach the level Bitcoin and Ethereum is. All coins are underperforming this year, and it's understandable. Things have changed. The election, war, Bitcoin becoming recognized by many traditional institutions, and so many things are happening in the crypto space. I'm just typically positive when it comes to crypto in the future. So yeah, others looks good. And if we check Ethereum BTC, we can see some positives as well. So let's clear all that. Remove. So yeah, we can see the daily. Anytime Ethereum takes control, it moves upwards. It typically gives altcoins the opportunity to pump, because if this chart is pumping, it means Ethereum has strength and BTC is weak, and it draws down. But as you can see, Bitcoin has been dominating the market for months, months and months and months. It's why you can see the chart moving towards the downside. But overall, it's super positive when it comes to crypto in a couple of months, because we're heading into an area of support, and I expect I expect a bounce from this area. And what that will do is it will give the volume to not only Ethereum. Most altcoins are built under Ethereum, BNB, and Solana. It typically just gives liquidity and volume to these cryptos, and eventually they will pump and they will get to the level that we see BTC at right now. So yeah, that's about it. I have so many things that I'm looking at, and one of my favorite crypto right now is Illuvium. I am heavily invested in Illuvium, and I just expect it to perform pretty good. And I think instead of putting your money in Ethereum or Bitcoin, come on, guys, look at this chart. What do you think is gonna happen? It's like it's easy. Like I'm like super pissed that I don't have a lot of money in it actually, because it's like we all know it's gonna pump. Like, so it's something you should patience is something that a lot of traders need to learn. And over the couple of years, I've developed great patience when it comes to my investments. With my job and other activities, I'm not able to day trade anymore, which is okay. But with time, I will focus more on day trading, because I really love trading, and trading is like my dream and is what I really love to do. And with time, I will focus more, but in time, I will always try to drop more videos, which to keep you guys updated to how my investments and strategies and insights on the market in general. So like I said before, guys, like, share, subscribe, comment, correct me if I'm wrong, give me more insights about what you're thinking is gonna happen in the market with Bitcoin stocks and all that, and the elections as well. It plays a major role in the markets. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, please share, show some love. Thank you so much. Talk to you guys soon.